Hello, this is Mama Julie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a quick update on my Microlocs. It's been 2 months since my installation using the 2-strand twist, and the past 2 months has been very exciting for me. My hair has taken up a lot. It's no longer the thin, very scalpy hair that it was initially, and it has taken up so much. And well, let's take a look at it together. So if you enjoy my video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next video.